Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And while I was on my way down from Washington to Yuma, in fact actually right before I left Washington, my DIA box came down here to Yuma. Well, of course I couldn't do anything about it before I left, so I had to get an extension on when to return these. So this is one of the first ones I'm doing now that I'm down here. Now, I'm having to get used to all over again, my lighting and all that kind of stuff. And you should see what I'm going through trying to put the decorations in our bedroom back on that one wall. Everything fell off that I put on last night. Oh, let's see what we got here. Okay. My new sidekick, Lou, is just sitting over here on her daddy's chair. She's upset. She's bubbling outside. So here, of course, is the envelope. First thing, the envelope to return everything in. So once you get these, what you don't like, don't want to keep, you just send back in this postage pay. I mean, you don't have to do a thing. Just put it in your mailbox or somewhere. And of course, this is the goodies that are in here. Let's see, let me pull this out and we'll snap a picture. Ooh, oh, I see jeans. Didn't I say no bottoms? Well, that makes it easy for me to decide what to keep and what not to keep. Hold on, let me snap a picture real quick. Okay, I'm back. So let's get started. First off, we have, should I read it? No, because if I read, sometimes they give hints, or they say what's within them. So I won't do this until after we see everything. Okay, this looks pretty good. Let's see. So far, this is a Mary Skye. Straight hem on the bottom, kind of cap sleeves, but what's that? What do you call this? Is that Henley look or a raglan sleeve? And okay, it's a smaller size, 0X, because I had asked them to make it smaller. Made in China. And I don't know if you can see the material very well, but see, it's kind of. And let's see what the ingredients are. Okay, 65 poly, 35 rayon, made in China. Now the big one, machine wash cold. Okay, we're fine. But I noticed when I was lifting the bottom up to, they actually left where they hem it, they had cut it across. So it's kind of a, what do you say, natural seam, and of course a pocket on the one side. So that's that one. Let's see, what in the world is this? Okay, this is a kind of a rough looking, rough hang around the house, do chores kind of shirt in my opinion. Kind of looks like jean material in a way, it's sewn. It's got a pocket over each boob. It's got roll-up sleeves that you can, button up or put down. This one is a Molly and Isadora, a size 0X. And it is made out of 100% lyocell. I don't know what that is. Machine wash cold, okay? So far, so good. In the last top, I think. Yeah, the last top. It's a nice, pretty pattern in browns and kind of an orangey. Not real long. It's like you know, so I didn't really want tunics. Looks like ruching on the sleeves. Not a V-neck, but it's, you know, like this. This is a Mary Skye. Size, oh, oops. And made in Mexico. It's made out of. Where's the tag? Where's the tag? Come on, what you made out of? Oh, it's right here. Okay, 95 rayon, 5% spandex, machine wash cold. Perfect. And the last item, oh, there's something else was wrapped in it. Okay, these are actually the cut from the cloth, the Catherine boyfriend jean in a 16. It looks like they're more like, I don't know, crop pants. But at least on me, they may look like crop pants because I'm tall. So cut from the cloth, 16W, which means 16 wide. Doesn't seem like that's what they meant to begin with. Don't really need some of these, but let me see. What are they made out of? They don't have in the pant legs, do they? Okay, well, we won't worry about that. Then the last item that fell out from in there was a box with a piece of jewelry in it. I told her I could use jewelry, you know. Oh, it's a bracelet. I thought it was a necklace. Well, that's a choker. Anyway, it looks like this. I don't wear bracelets much, so I know this will be going back. But it is pretty. Yes, let's just put this right back in the box. And I'll strip. I will be right back with you and show you how they look. Hold on. Here is the first one. Hold the shoulders back, stomach in. Sleeves are a little longer, which is nice. Like I say, it's got the ruching. Bob said it was nice. Lou, what do you think, Lou? She's not speaking. He's mad. She thinks I made Bob go out. No, Bob's setting stuff up out there. I'll be back with the next one. Here we are. Obviously, this is too small. It's tight through here. Should have seen what I went through getting on. I had to unbutton the whole thing. It just isn't. I don't want to pop the buttons trying it on, but as you can see, it's not my type. I'm not even showing it to Bob. I know what his reaction would be. Lou looks disgusted. Let's try the next one. Okay. Here's the top. And I've got the jeans on too. See if I can tilt this down for you to see it if I stand back. Ah, here's just, let's see. I put it back here. Gosh. Anyway, you get the gist. So, let me put my other clothes back on and we'll get back to it. I'm back. Now that last one, the pants and the top, Lou had left the room. Anyway, let's get down to specifics. It's hot in here because I had to turn the air off. And it was, when I turned it off, it was 79 in here. Now it's 83 just in that short time. Oh, I'll put this on a separate one. I could have read it. Well, no, because I don't want to see what it says. Don't forget, you've got 5 days to try everything on and tell us what you think. Oh, good. Hi, Beverly. I'm so glad to be back with you. I cannot wait to hear what you think about these pieces. Now, this gal is just back, and she was off on maternity leave for quite a few months, so I had different people, and when she came back, she asked if I wanted her back. Yes. Anyway, says, first up, I know you love a great machine wash only. See why I like her? Short sleeve top. So I added a couple I thought that you might like. First up, the Floral Tee. How precious is this print? I love that you could really wear it for any season. Pair it with the boyfriend jeans cut from the cloth and your favorite flats. I also added this green button down that you could wear over the floor. Oh, I see. So you'd have to wear it unbuttoned for just a little added warmth on those cooler Arizona nights. The light green tee from Skye will look fantastic with these jeans as well, or you could even try it with some of the leggings you already have. Since you said you'd be open to jewelry this time, I also included a resin bracelet that would go great with all your leopard tops. Enjoy, Mallory. So welcome back, Mallory. So let's get started on the items. Oh, first one I tried on was, I just rip them off, you know, because it's so hot in here. Oh, that's this one. I liked it. Bob said it looked okay. I said okay. Lou said nothing. But what do you guys think? You know, pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's see what it cost. That could be the determining factor. Let's see, the Skye and the olive and green. Oh, that must be this one. It's Graciela is the name. Oh, my shirt has a name. Graciela. Oh no, that's the short sleeve one. Okay. Okay, and this is the, oh. Okay, okay. The Skye Abbey Ruched sleeve top in ivory and orange, and it's $29. Well, that's not bad. Not bad at all. And this one that I heck of a time getting on. I have a thing about unbuttoning things. I just put them over my head, but then I got stuck, so I had to unbutton a bunch of them. I mean, it's nice, but I just don't wear layers because I'm either hot or I'm either cold, so it's one or the other. And the layers get me too hot. But what do you guys think? I didn't even show Bob, and Lou just kind of stuck her paw down her throat and gagged. I guess if I want my tummy to get some air, it might work. But let's see what that. Okay, this must be the one that's. I just saw the jeans brand. The Molly and Isadora Ellie split back quarter sleeve shirt, which was this one, right? Molly and Isadora in rosemary color. That's my mama's name. $49. Then we had this one. Which I like. I love looking at it. You know, I love looking at it. Just not that great on me because with the solid colors, it shows my rolls more, as I demonstrated. And Bob said the same thing. Said that he likes it, but it kind of, you know, shows my rolls more. See, I got that man trained, to be honest. So, let's see what that one costs. But see, all these are kind of coordinated together. $29. And last but not least, oh, that's right, because we do have we've got these poor distressed jeans. They're so distressed. they need meds. So these are what Bob really liked on me. Sorry I couldn't show you a fuller picture, but you can see the distressed part. And in fact, he said to me, "Did you know there's a hole in them?" And by this one, Lou had left the room, so no answer from her. But the prices, $89. I have never spent that much for a pair of jeans. Never. Oh. But I was surprised that a 16 fit me. And it was loose back up in here. Luckily, I brought a belt with me, and the waist comes way up. Where the problems I've had with other pants when I get them, you know, the back's going to go down a little, and because I have no butt shape going like that, it's just so, my pants slip down on them while I'm moving around. So, and these were Bob's favorite. Lou, remember, she had left the room. So, oh, and the bracelet. The bracelet was $25. Well, I really like it. At least you tried, Mallory. That was $25, so I wouldn't spend $25 for something that I wouldn't wear. So the merchandise total came to $221. My styling fee credited towards anything I keep would be $20. So if I got those pants, they would actually be $69, but in reality it's still $89 because that's my $20 to begin with, right? Okay, if I bought everything and I got the 25% off for the 5 items, that would be $55.25 off. So the grand total would be $145.75, which isn't bad. Now, if I liked 3 of the 4 of them, yeah, I'd keep them all. You know, sweating won't stay up. I'm this way all the time down here. So, you see. Is anything? No, don't have any special discounts for you guys or anything showing on here. So what do you think? Give me your answers, because I won't send it back till I hear from some of you as to what you like. I know I need to tape these on, but they'd probably come right off, just like the stuff back there in the room been falling off the wall. So comments below, share, like, subscribe, and encourage your friends to subscribe to me so I can reach my 1,000. I'm at, what am I at? 964, I think, last I looked. So I hope you're all having a good week. This is Wednesday here. You won't, well, maybe you'll see it tonight. I don't know. I'll see. I've got so many I've got to do. So like I say, I hope you're all having a great week, and I love you all. Bye.